Hi guys, welcome to Suffolk Codes. I'm Miss Jasmine. I just want to thank you guys for joining us on our coding modules. I already signed in to code.org. However, just remember you can just sign in using our class course code and your secret words. If you have registered via the Suffolk Library calendar, even if you haven't registered for the Suffolk Codes, you can create your own account and just follow along with us. It is free. If you do want to join our live office hours on over Zoom, you can just register and I will send you a link. We will be meeting next time on March 16th at 6:30 over Zoom. And I'm so glad to have you guys. So we're going to start again in Express course. Last time we went over the Angry Birds lesson and asked you guys to do like the dance party and scratch just to see how you felt and play around with the module. So this time, since we already did the first three, we're going to go ahead and go into our lesson 4, which is collecting treasure with Laurel. And once again, with all the lessons, they start off with a video. This one is setting up because we're going to be collecting with Laurel. So we're going to have a couple new blocks to use, such as like collecting. So we have to make sure we actually are picking up our item. So we're going to press continue. Right off the bat, we see a block that says, do you see some new blocks in the toolbox? Don't worry, we will show you how to use them in another lesson. So this block right here looks like a repeat block or our loop block, which we have used before in the pre-express course. So for right now, we're not going to use it. But always remember you can get hints for your little light bulb and to read the instructions. So this is Laurel, this adventurer. Move around and get as much treasure as you can. Use the collect block to pick up the treasure. Drag blocks into workspace and try to figure out how to get the treasure. Get at least one item to pass this level. So our goal is only to pick up one of the gems. So let's move our block. We know we're going to move forward. And we only have to move over once, but we also remember to get our collect block this time. And then just hit run. We got it. Our goal is complete. So we can move on to the next level. Remember, you can always see your codes too if you want to show your code. And we've already written 2 lines of code. Move Laurel into the treasure, then use a collect block to pick it up. So we can use our loop block, but it said earlier that we are going to learn more about it. So for right now, we're just going to use our move forwards. Make sure you're clicking them. And we got to move forward 1, 2, 3, 4 times. And make sure you use your collect block. And Laurel has got our gem. We're great. And press continue. Okay, so sequence matters. The blocks you need are already in the workplace, but not connected. Order these blocks to collect the treasure and solve the puzzle. Okay, so as we see now, we don't have a little area over here. We just have our full workspace, and they gave us all the blocks. But they're not connected, and we need to make sure we get them in the right order. Okay, so let's look. We got an L, so we're at least going to move forward twice. And then we are going to turn, otherwise we're going to hit the wall. So we're going to leave it at turn left. And then we have to move forward again and press collect. Great, we got our gem. And we wrote 0 lines of code because they already put all their codes inside of our workspace. But we did connect everything and we got our sequence to work. Okay, the blocks you need are already in the workplace, but not connected. Put these blocks in order to collect all the treasure and solve the puzzle. Okay, so now we have our blocks kind of on the same level, but we need to move down and we have all our blocks still in our workspace. So we're going to move forward. So we're going to get over here and above our first gem, but we have to turn. And we're going to turn right since we're going to be facing this area. Go down, move forward. Let's move our collect button a little bit. Move forward again, and then collect. So we got our first gem. We need 2 this time. So we can't go forward again, because otherwise we're definitely going to turn. And I already see that my connect went to the wrong button. So we're going to move our left and drag that down, and then we're going to move forward. Collect. Oh, looks like we have a move forward over. I didn't put this on the right, so we're going to drag that back up and put it up here, because it should have moved down twice up here. So let's watch Laurel go down. Yep, collect the first one. And yeah, we have collected both gems and wrote 9 lines of code. Okay, so now we have, we got a higher number of hints this time, so this might be a tricky one. But these blocks are in the wrong order. Can you fix them? So it first has us move forward and collecting. There's nothing here to collect, so we do know we can go ahead and move that. We're going to separate and move forward again, so we can bring it down here to our right level. And that's correct, but we still don't have anything collect, so we're going to move that collect as well. And we are going to attach. Now let's make sure, are we moving the right way? Are we making a right? Because we go down and then we have the turn. I think we're going to turn left. And then we're going to move forward. Move forward. We're going to collect our first gem. We need to collect both. Move forward and then collect. Now let's run. Oh, I already made a mistake because I moved to the wrong way. So right was the right order, or the right way to go. So we're going to reset. We just simply change the button. Move forward, returning right, collect, move forward, and collect again. Something that's always tricky, especially with coding sometimes. It's hard to see which way you need to turn. And there's nothing wrong with that. You can always try again or use your hands and just work it out. Help me collect all the treasure. These blocks are all in the wrong order. Reorder to collect all the treasure. So now we have 3. We need to get all 3 gems to meet our goal. So we're going to move forward, turn right. Now we turn right, we're going to hit the wall. So we're going to change that to a left. Move forward, collect, that's right. And then it says turn left. I think we need to move forward and then turn. We're going to turn a right. We're not going to collect just yet. Move forward, collect, move forward again, and then collect. Because collect should be our last thing if that's our last square. So now let's run to see we got in the right order. Got a first gem, turn, second gem, and third gem. Continue. Oh, and now we have our challenge puzzle. So let's see. We have 5 gems that we need to collect. Even if we put these in the right order, there's still some missing. Use blocks from the toolbox to collect all the treasure. Okay, so they gave us some of our treasure, but we're still missing. As you can see from our workspace, we have 11 blocks here, but we need 16. Or we can use 16. So we're going to see, move forward, move forward. Okay, that's wrong off the bat because we need to collect. So collect the first one, move forward, collect that one. We shouldn't turn just yet. We still need to collect another one. So move forward, collect. Then we can turn. But are we going to make a left turn or a right turn? If we're facing this way, we shouldn't make a right. Move forward. We should move forward again. Select, move forward, turn left. Actually, let's bring another move forward. Turn left, move forward, and then collect. So that way we have all 16 blocks. Now let's see if we actually get to our right direction and get all 5 of our gems. So we got 1, 2, 3. Heading toward the 4th. Got it. Yay! And we did. We got to our 5th code, or our 5th gem, and we have 15 lines of code. That we all got. Okay. We're doing a pretty good job. So keep up the good work and help me collect all the treasure. We're going to move forward, collect, move forward again, collect, move forward, and collect. Make sure you always check your goal right here to see if you are getting your correct amount that you need, and always check your workspace to help you figure out if you're over or under how many blocks you can use. You can use less blocks sometimes to get to your goal, but if you ever go over, it won't work. It's going to actually stop you in your code. We got 1, 2, 3. Awesome. We have gotten our lines of code. Okay, so I'm going to stop right here, and we're going to try to see the rest of lesson 4 on your own. So just finish lesson 4 and try to see if you can collect all your goals. Remember where you can find your hints. If there's a little light bulb, you'll get hints. Check your workspace for your block number and your goal. I have not been using the loop block, but you can. We did use it in our pre-express and some of our other modules. And just remember, you can change from the question marks the amount of times you need to move or loop your same sequence. So try out the rest of lesson 4 on your own. And also try out lesson 5, creating art with code, and tell me, how do you guys feel? Did you get very creative? Was it a little hard? I hope to see you guys next time. Thank you.